making smashed tacos. Let's go. First step in making these smashed tacos is just laying out my tortillas. I'm gonna make 4 tacos. So I just grab a little beef, about this big. It's about 1/6 of a pound. I'm gonna put them on the tortilla and spread it all the way to the edges. Now that we've got the meat spread around, we're gonna put them down face first, meat first on the grill. And then we're gonna give them an extra little push just to help spread that meat out even more. Now that the beef is cooked, we're gonna flip them over, and the same oil that cooked the burger is going to cook the tortilla. I don't season them until after I've turned them. That way the garlic in it doesn't burn. These will be ready shortly. We just gotta add some cheese. Now we're gonna fold them in half to help melt that cheese. Now the only thing missing is some of my homemade pico de gallo. Just grab your tortilla, spread that meat apart with the cheese, add a little pico, and away you go.